Hi, today I'm reviewing Motorola Moto X40 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the gesture section. Here scroll more down and click to press and hold to double press power key. Just to use the camera application by double press the power key, switch now to launch camera, and now let's press twice to the power key and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. To turn off this option by the same way, click to double press power key and switch launch camera to none. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.